Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix Fortnite Stuck on checking for updates. So basically this error is related to your networks and it's quite easy to fix. So the first thing what we need to do here, you need to open up a browser. It really doesn't matter if using Xbox, PS4, PS5, PC, the process will be similar. Then go to Epic Games public status here and look if the Fortnite servers is not down. If the servers is not down, probably the problem is on your end. So first of all, what is just to do here is to just go to fast.com and test your internet speed. If you have good internet speed, you're good to go. If you don't, maybe limit some devices and restart your router. And then what you need to do here is to change your DNS server addresses. I will show you on PC, but also on PS4, PS5, Xbox, you can do the same. It should be a little bit different, but nevertheless, the amount what you need to put here, it's similar. So you just need to go to Advanced Network Display, Network Ethernet, find your internet connection, then press on Internet Protocol number 4. And then select use the following DNS server addresses, and on preferred DNS server you need to write 8.8.8.8, and on alternate DNS server 8.8.4.4, and apply the changes. If using PS4 or PS5, as you can see here, you need to go to and restore licenses here, then go to Wi-Fi and LAN, and then change DNS servers. And then also on MTU settings, add 1500, right? And then we can proceed with other steps here. First of all, open up command prompt, right click on it, run as admin. And then you need to put a few commands here. So the first one is ipconfig /flush DNS. Another command is /, winsock reset. And after that, go to settings, go to network and internet, then advanced network settings and network reset, and reset your network. If you use a Wi-Fi, you need to put your password again. And if you use Ethernet cable, you're good to go. You don't need to do here nothing. And it should fix your problem. Probably only changing DNS server addresses should fix your problem, and if you have good internet connection. So yeah, that's it. If I helped you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.